Thumbs up. Now you can see what things gonna look like after we got that mess cleaned up. I'm telling you what, that was one, shouldn't use the term, but I'm gonna use a hell of a mess. Ended up breaking the window off my skid loader instead of them branches. You have never battled stuff until you get into cedar tree branches. And come here, bring your thing. I gotta show you what this looks like. For branches, we shoved out of there. And we've got Ray, he's got a bunch more to pick out that I pushed out this morning. It got my window. Thank God it was a side window. But there's some of the branches we took out of there. And there's our first hit when we was cleaning we took out over there. Hell, Ted's coming in with a truckload of grain. That gives you a rough idea. I mean, there's probably 10, 15 truckloads of trees. You wouldn't believe there's that much trees. I think there's more branches than there is trees. Oh. Well, anyway, we thought maybe you'd get a kick out of that. It's a lot of work, but boy, you talk about a great big picnic area and a campsite. Oh, it's beautiful. If you come down in here, it's about, Ian, how long do you think that is? You think, yeah, from here to the other end, probably length of a football field, ain't it?
Pretty close.
Yeah?
That is true.
Let's see, I went back into here. Oh yeah, that's got a good length of a football field. And it's about a football field wide.
Dad, no?
Oh, wait till we get that grassed in. Geez, that's going to be pretty in there. A bunch of tents. I think Ray's going to really like this.
Mm-hmm.
Him and little Ray, they did a lot of work sawing trees. I busted a lot of them off with the skid loader. They cleaned up a lot of stumps. And later on, I got another area that Ray's got cleaned up over here roughly. We ain't got no really before shots on that. And got a few pictures of what the mess looked like earlier. And they're just out here discovering our new shot of our trails that we got done. We went through kind of what we call the Badlands area. Oh, that'll be kind of wild. They'll probably get to drive their little four-wheeler and go down through there and view that. We hit a lot of gravel up there. So we graveled the roads. And then they got to get some signs built because Joe Biden holding back our economy. We ain't getting materials, we got a bridge to build. Oh, so you might say we're having a government setback on our bridge project. But it just determined they'll probably shoot a little film of the road going to it. And then there's a little bike trail that you can get around them. And then up around the trail you go and up around the top. And it'll be interesting. I got a little bit more dirt to haul, and the girls are out checking me out and see if I really was working. And I told Anna, I said, I don't know if they ever got a picture of this thing scooping up any dirt or not. So she caught me in action once. But we moved probably, I don't know how many thousands of yards of dirt. She might film that berm that we built up around there so people don't go off that big bank. That always bothered me even when we was farming, without the four-wheelers around. A tractor going over there, night work.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll work out good for the four-wheelers and the farm. And a lot of the little berms we build is so if the little guys are driving like our little 200s or 250s, the little guys, so they don't just accidentally whoops and go over the bank. This way it'll pull them back in. And then she might even stop and get a few shots over the hill and look down there. Ah, that is a long way down there.
Yep.
So what do you dogs think of this area now that's all cleaned up? You can actually run around in here. Still gotta. You're looking, we're down here in the park. The direction where the kids are playing is north and we're south. And off to our right would be to the east and to the left arm would be to the west. Oh, it's pretty down in here. Then you can do a little shooting. There's a little film. We cleaned some trees off back in there too, Ann. You can swing off over in there. That's going up over in the hill. There's another big area up there. That's really pretty. Wait, you guys want to walk up there and check that out?
Good.
my combine. Berdoom. Oh, wave at him. Berdoom. Beep your horn. Probably didn't hear us. Racist. Geez, how many more trees is he shoving out, piling up for me?